Today I am going to attempt to make breadsticks out of this pizza crust mix. The instructions say to heat the oven to 475, but I'm only going to heat it to 350. Next, the instructions say to combine the crust mix with hot water in a medium bowl. Stir about 30 strokes with fork or until blended. There, half a cup of hot water. Never tried this before, but I'm hoping I can make some pretty decent breadsticks. I'm going to try and make some with garlic and some with cheese. And after you get it mixed, the directions say, shape the dough into a ball. If dough is sticky, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour. Brush with oil, cover, and let stand for 5 minutes. So that's not too sticky. So I'm going to call that a ball. I'm going to put just a little bit of vegetable oil in there. And then I'm going to brush it like the instructions say. All right, I'm going to cover it and I'll be back in about 5 minutes. I've got a piece of parchment paper I'm going to use to roll this stuff out, to roll the breading mix out. I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of flour and we'll see what happens. That's what it looks like now. Oh, came out clean. I'm not going to roll this as thin as I would a pizza crust because I want the breadsticks to be a little thicker. Ooh. Sorry about that shadow, guys. All right, let's see what happens. Okay. My parchment paper's rolling everywhere. And I can tell right now they're not going to be perfectly shaped. I think that's good. Alright, I'm going to cut these into strips now. I'd say the dough is probably about 1/4 inch thick. Okay, and now I'm going to transfer them to a baking sheet that has parchment paper on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bake them first till they're almost done. And then I'm going to add butter and garlic on some of them, and on the others I'm going to add cheese, shredded cheese, to see how that comes out. I'll be back in a few minutes and I'll let you know how long it took me to bake them. I'll see you in a little bit. They were in the oven for 10 minutes. Starting to brown up a little bit. So I'm going to put 3 with the garlic and butter and 3 with shredded cheese. And I'm going to use that butter that I canned a couple weeks ago. Just slightly spread some of that on there. I like this butter. I think I'm going to can some more. I just need to get some smaller wide mouth jars. The majority of the ones I have are the bigger ones. Alright, so I'm going to add some garlic powder. And I think I'm going to add some parsley too, just to make it look a little prettier. I always feel like everything's healthier if it has something green on it or in it. When I make soups, I'll always add some parsley. There we go. Those look pretty, don't they? Alright, on the next 3, I'm just going to add some shredded cheese. Yeah, it probably won't stay on there very good, but that's okay. You know what? Maybe if I put them all together, that'll help. Yeah, I'm no expert, y'all. I'm just doing what I think will work. All right, and then I'm going to put them back in the oven for, I don't know, we'll see, maybe 5 minutes. I'll be back. They were in the oven for 7 minutes after I put the toppings on. I did cut them open to see if they look done. They do look done. So I know they smell great. I'm going to give one a taste test. You know, that's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Let me try the cheesy one and see how it came out. Came out good too. So I am going to buy more of the pizza crust mix and keep it on hand in the prepper pantry. So if I want to make some quick breadsticks, I can do it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you all. I really and truly appreciate you if you stuck around to the end of the video. You guys have a great day. Happy 4th of July. God bless. And we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.